Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here with another vehicle for our November 1st, 2023 online auction. This is a consignment vehicle, not a government vehicle. I'll do a wander here and just kind of show you the vehicle. This is a 2008 GMC Canyon, lot number Q1006. This is not just any GMC Canyon, but it's a Canyon in need of repairs. As you can see, it comes with a spare motor in the back and a bunch of spare parts. There's a new replacement grille for the front end. This box here has got replacement headlights. The engine is partially disassembled, that's in the vehicle, and so there's the parts there that belong to the engine inside. I'll go show you that right now. So the vehicle's been sitting for a couple of years. The person just couldn't come up with the money to actually do the repairs. So as you can see, the top end of the motor has been pulled apart here. They said that what happened is they were driving down the freeway, and all of a sudden the motor started going ba-bang, bang, bang, ba-bang, bang, bang. Not sure exactly if it sounded like that, but so then they they sourced the replacement motor, because one of the shops, I guess, quoted them a really large amount to fix this one. Regardless, you're buying it as is. Here it is. Before I forget, 340,600 kilometers. I did put a booster pack to the cables here so I could energize the dash. You'll see the information on the description online. And like I said, there's replacement grille for this corner and all new headlights, or new to the truck headlights. I don't know if they're brand new. They're in a box, so I assume they're new. And away we go. So now I'll just kind of wander around and talk about the vehicle as I see it. Tires appear to be in fair condition. You might get another winter out of them, maybe a little more. They do have some tread left. It is a GMC Canyon SLE 4x4 four-wheel drive crew cab. Windshield's cracked. I see that here, just happened to notice it. So yeah, the front seat, I mean, it has been sitting, so it is, you know, a little musty inside. You can see a little bit of staining here on the bottoms of the seats, but only the driver's seat seems to be torn. Aftermarket stereo system there. Sunroof. You can see, I don't know if you can see any of that up there, because of course the screen on the camera shuts off. Fairly fully loaded here, lots of controls. Folding seats, they do fold down. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Yes, I can. So they do fold down. A little bit of staining there. All of the parts that I'll show you at the back, they'll be inside the cab, so you will have to tow this vehicle out of the yard. So tow truck required, or trailer. And like I said, the engine in the back is one of those 5-cylinder, and I think that's what the issue was, is that the motor inside it is a 5-cylinder gasoline, 3.7 liter I think it is, or 3.5, not really sure. There's a replacement grille, and like I said, underneath here is the parts to reassemble the motor that's in it. Well, it looks like there's the trims coming off here. So a couple of little dents there on the bumper. Tailgate does work, a little stiff. I mean, I really can't start it, of course, because the motor's all apart. So it does have the original build sheet from the dealer when it was purchased new. That's in the center console there, so you can take a look at those pictures online. But yeah, like I said, fairly well equipped. I can't energize it, of course, because I took away that, but there's your controls: four-wheel drive, high and low, two-wheel drive. There's the remote control for the stereo. It's got OnStar, so you know, when you end up in the middle of nowhere and need to be rescued, you can always just push the button. So this is selling November the 1st, 2023. It is a 2008 GMC Canyon SLE, 4-wheel drive off-road crew cab with major engine repairs required and some other repairs. Highest bid wins. Hope you get another bye-bye auction. Thank you very much.